This is the Aeronox 2.0. This takes the place of the Aeronox 1.0 that we have quite a few units out in the field for. Today we're going to be just going through a quick in-service on this and hooking it to the TXP, our high-frequency transport ventilator. We're just going to start with some Knobology around the edges here. First thing to note is the power button. Turns the unit on. Unit's got 4 to 5 hours of battery life, so you want to have it plugged in as much as possible just to conserve that battery and to keep the cells good. This is our flow knob. We'll get into that again when we actually have nitric running through it, and you can see this number change here. We've got our NO delivery port here, and we'll hook a circuit to that in a minute. And then we've got our sampling port here. That's where the gas will be coming in, thus giving us these numbers up here. So we've got our NO number, we've got our NO2 number, and we've got our O2 right there. This is your back button to get back to your main screen at any time. Dimming switch for the light. Alarm silence button. So over here we've got our buttons to change alarms, for example. Hit it once and you've got NO, NO2, and O2. When you select one of these, then you can fine-tune the alarm. Whatever's highlighted right here, that's what you're going to be setting. To go to the next value, you hit that button and that goes to the low limit that you can adjust. Hit your back button and that goes back to the other values that you can change. This indicator up here indicates that we're plugged in. When you unplug, you've got a battery indicator here showing full, and it'll go down as the battery goes down. Again, dim the screen to conserve that battery as much as possible when you can. On the back here, we've got your power outlet that I just unplugged. This is where the battery is housed, so when you deliver this, you'll have to take this back off, hook the battery in, and then put the back on. This is where you mount. So we've got a variety of mounts that this uses. This is the standard dovetail, but we've also got an external mount that goes on those 4 holes to mount to a tank box, for example. This is where the gas hooks in, so stainless hose. It's a little bit different than their old ones, so they'll need to use the hose for the Aeronox 2.0 versus the 1.0. Got this connector that's quite a bit different here. The power charger is different too, so we need to make sure they use the right power charger that goes with the 2.0. And that's about it for the basics.